Hello friends, let us talk about the thermocouple working principle. Thermocouple working principle is based on the Seebeck effect. Seebeck effect states that when a closed circuit is formed by joining two dissimilar metals with a cold junction and a hot junction, then the EMF will develop in the circuit. The EMF can be measured with millivolt, and a millivolt can change to temperature by multiplying 25 as a factor. And generally, K-type thermocouples used to measure 0 to 1200 degrees centigrade, and the metal alloys used aluminum and chromel. Aluminum and chromel. Temperature ranging 0 to 1200.